Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch, and today I'm going to be talking about a Stacks NFT series that I think is pretty cool. I've been looking at them for a while, and I think it's really cool because I think the business of this NFT series can go much further than JPEGs, right? I don't necessarily think JPEGs are cool, but if you can use the NFT and authenticate the NFT to get access to certain clubs, right? And a lot of people have been saying that, but I think the marketing behind the NFT and getting into these clubs, it has to connect with the user. And so that's why I picked this NFT series. Let's dive on in. All right, Stacks community. So this is beer NFTs. If you don't know beer NFTs, it's on the Stacks network. They're a series of beer drinks. Okay, so if you want to go look at them, they're for sale. You can click the link in the Twitter. Okay, now the floor price on these, I don't know why this is listed. I mean, like crazy, but I don't know what these are selling for necessarily. I mean, you can click and check around. I wouldn't necessarily buy it for 8,000 stacks because it was sold for 22 stacks. But what I think is cool about this beer NFT series is if you really think about beer and all the different brands and how you connect, right? Sam Adams, Coors, Bud Light with the or Budweiser with the horse commercials during the Super Bowl, right? They all kind of try to connect you emotionally, right? And to me, these beers with goblets and different types of foam and colors and shapes of the glasses, right? I really think there's a business opportunity to be had with this NFT series, right? So I'm not saying it's going to be this NFT series. If you see another NFT series, and this video is generally, I think, about how I'm starting to understand NFTs. I'm not a huge NFT trader, but if I were to trade NFTs, it would be something like this, right? Because people connect with beer. They have their favorite brands. They converse. It's a very social thing, right? And if you can connect the excuse me, the metaverse or the internet to real life with something like this, like I know you can imagine what I'm saying. Like, for example, Bored Ape Ape Club, right? I don't see a lot of, like, what are they going to do? Meet up at a zoo, or it doesn't have that social just feel to it, like a video game type of character series. It just doesn't have that feel. This has that feel. So whether it's this one or another one on Ethereum or whatever, this is the type of thing that I would be buying because I think that's the future, right? So go check them out. And in terms of the stacks price, I'll look at the chart real quick. It's kind of bearish with this head and shoulders, right? So we're going to, here, let me move my face up here. We're going to want to look for some type of reversal pattern down here, either like a cup and handle, right? Or some type of, here, let me move it over. I'm just giving you examples so you can kind of, when you identify the pattern, you can trade it if you want. Remember, I'm not a trader. Or you would see like a reverse head and shoulders, right? Something like that, okay? So this is a head and shoulders. That's usually a bearish sentiment or bearish chart. Goes down, right? And then you're going to want to probably look for one of these, is my guess. And if you see that, that's what I'd be buying. But again, NFTs, even if it's not this is the type of thing I would be looking for to buying, right? Because there's going to be something attached to it, right? And you want value that can last through time. So I just think it's pretty cool if you're looking through stacks and trying to understand stacks more. What I would like to see, and this would become more valuable, is if they list this price in Bitcoin using a Lightning wallet where you can buy it right through Lightning with stacks, right? So stacks is basically the gas fee. You pay with Bitcoin, and that's it. So if that happens, I think these will go way up in value. Anyway, you can call me Hunch, and this is my Stacks NFT series.